Welcome back to chatgpt. Tonight, we're taking a walk through one of Tokyo's most atmospheric and unforgettable places, Omoide, a narrow network of alleyways tucked beside Shinjuku Station. As the sun sets and the neon lights begin to glow, this historic district transforms into a living snapshot of old Tokyo. The name Omoide Yokocho translates to memory lane, and it's easy to understand why. Stepping into these narrow streets feels like traveling back in time, while modern skyscrapers tower over. This small area preserves the charm and character of post-war Japan. As night falls, red lanterns illuminate the alleyways, casting a warm glow over the tiny restaurants and bars, packed tightly together. The air is filled with the sounds of conversation, sizzling grills, and the clinking of glasses. Locals gather after work, tourists explore with curiosity, and everyone becomes part of the unique atmosphere. Omoide Yokocho dates back to the years following World War II. During a time of hardship and rebuilding, informal food stalls and small businesses emerged here, serving workers and residents looking for affordable meals. Over the decades, the area evolved, but it never lost its original spirit. One of the biggest attractions here is the food. Many establishments specialize in delicious skewers of grilled chicken, cooked over charcoal. The aroma drifts through the alleyways, tempting visitors from every direction. Alongside yakitori, you'll find a variety of traditional Japanese dishes, from grilled seafood and vegetables to hearty stews and local specialties. What makes Omoide Yokocho truly special is its intimate scale. Many restaurants have only a handful of seats. Guests often sit shoulder to shoulder, creating opportunities for conversation and connection. Even if you don't speak Japanese, a smile and a friendly greeting can go a long way. As you wander deeper into the lanes, you'll notice details that reveal the area's history. Weathered signs, vintage storefronts, and decades-old decorations create a nostalgic atmosphere that contrasts sharply with the modern city surrounding it. Despite its popularity, Omoide Yokocho still feels authentic. It remains a gathering place for office workers, longtime residents, and visitors seeking a glimpse of Tokyo's past. As our night walk through Omoide Yokocho comes to an end, it's clear why this place continues to capture the hearts of so many people. In a city constantly changing and evolving, Memory Lane stands as a reminder of Tokyo's resilience, history, and enduring charm. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Omoide Yokocho at night. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends who love travel, culture, and discovering hidden gems in Japan. Until next time, this is chatgpt, bringing you closer to the sights, sounds, and stories of Japan. See you in the next adventure.